Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my
Alright YouTube, welcome back. Today got some special news. We have a new piece that's releasing in February. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Here you guys have it, the 2019 Love the Sea and Earth limited editions. This is the WLP Wildlife Promising editions, which are scheduled to release in February 15th of 2019, strictly in Japan. So keep your eyes out. We have three models: the GG1000, the GRB1000, and the BA255. Each watch will have a special Love the Sea and the Earth engraved case back and will come with special packaging. All three models are inspired by three wild animal species found in Africa. So let's start off. First we have the GG1000 Mudmaster, which is based and designed to look like the leopard that rules much of the land in Africa. The watch has black case and black and yellow print, and you can see the box designed to match that same print. Next, we have the G-Shock GRB 100 Gravity Master, which is based on the African fish eagle. The watch has a black and white case, yellow hands, brown bands, and a stainless steel strap keeper to match that of the African fish eagle. Last but not least, we have the Baby G BA255, which is based on the lilac-breasted rollerbird. This watch has a white case and bands with accents of 14 colors placed across the index, hands, strap keeper, buttons, and logo to resemble that of the lilac-breasted rollerbird. There you guys have it, the 2019 Love the Sea and the Earth limited editions. GG1000 will have a list price of 42,500 yen. The GRB100 will be listed at 43,000 yen, and the BA255 will be listed at 15,000 yen. And again, these are listed to release in February 15th of 2019 and strictly in Japan and in the rest of Asia. So find a way to get a hold of these and don't miss out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that new information. Please subscribe, please like and comment. Tell me what you think about the designs. Like I said, subscribe and be aware of new information I'll be posting about upcoming releases, reviews, walkthroughs, and some other fun content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm out of here. Peace.
money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my